Durga Puja is not just about devotion. It's also about celebration, laughter, and of course, soulful food that brings families together. Today we're making three traditional favorites: Aloo Dum, Luchi, and Basanti Pulao, a festive trio that truly completes the Pujo platter. Let's begin with Aloo Dum. For this, start with 500 grams of boiled potatoes. Sprinkle in salt to taste and a spoonful of turmeric powder. Give them a good mix and let the golden coating hug every potato. Now in hot mustard oil, we fry these marinated potatoes until they turn lightly brown. Onto the same pan, add more oil, a couple of bay leaves and cumin seeds. Now toast in chopped tomatoes, a pinch of salt to help them soften faster and stir well. When the tomatoes melts down, add ginger paste, turmeric, red chili and cumin powder. Next, bring back the potatoes. Stir until they are beautifully coated in the masala, then cover and cook. To finish, pour in rich coconut milk, cover again and let it all come together. And there it is, creamy, aromatic aloo dum ready to serve. Now let's start making the luchi. In a large bowl, mix maida, a touch of salt and ghee. Slowly add warm water to form a soft, smooth dough. Let it rest for 20 minutes. Once rested, roll out small dough balls, dip them lightly in oil and roll into perfect rounds. Meanwhile, heat oil in a deep pan. When the oil is hot, slide in each luchi and press gently. It will puff up into a fluffy delight. Now fry the rest the same way and serve them hot alongside our aloo dum. And finally, the golden crown of this platter, Basanti Pulao. Now take a cup of rice, wash and soak and drain it. Marinate with turmeric, salt, garam masala and ghee, then let it rest. Now in a karhai, heat ghee and temper it with bay leaves, cumin seeds, cinnamon, cashews and raisins. Let the nuts turn golden and the raisins plump up. Now add the rice gently along with sugar and saffron strands for that festive sweetness and color. Now pour in 2 cups of water, double the measure of rice. Cook on high flame until the water evaporates. Then cover and let it steam on low flame. Now let it rest for few minutes and the fragrant, slightly sweet Basanti Pulao is ready. So together we have fluffy luchi, rich aloo dum and aromatic Basanti Pulao, which make for a plate that's more than food. It's nostalgia, celebration and the very essence of Durga Puja. So this Pujo, gather your loved ones, cook with joy and celebrate with flavors that feel like home. For more such easy recipes, subscribe to Times Foodie.